Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very nice stitch called Pique Stitch. It gives a good texture to the fabric and the fabric becomes thick also, and it is worked with very simple stitches of combining double crochet and half double crochets work together as a group in every stitch. Okay, there is no particular foundation chains required here. You can work over any number of chains. So I shall make the required number of chains for the demonstration and get back. I work with craft brown Aran premium acrylic anti-pill yarn medium weight 4 with color code 2011. This is a hobby store and Aran yarn, and I used my 5 mm clover crochet hook for the main work, and chains I did with 5.5 mm. I have made 16 chains. Work and half double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, and fourth chain from the hook. Work a half double crochet. This counts as a DC and half double crochet work together. In every stitch, you make a DC, which is incomplete DC, and a half double crochet together. And now yarn over, pull through all 4 of them. Again, in the next, an incomplete DC, and in the same stitch and half double crochet, pull up the loop and pull through all 4 of them. So work this group on every chain. I shall meet you at the end. I shall demonstrate once more. Yarn over the hook, insert in the next chain, pick up the loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through once, again yarn over the hook as you do for half double crochet, insert in the same chain, pick up the yarn, pull through. You will have 4 loops on the hook and pick up the yarn and pull through all 4 of them. This is one DC and half double crochet work together. That is how you get a little thick fabric, and this stitch can be worked with any type of yarn. It suits all type of yarns. I shall complete the stitches till the end and get back to you. I have completed row 1 by placing the last group in the last chain. Either chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 counts as DC, or turn and make an incomplete twisted double and a half double crochet all in the same very first stitch. So this is one group, and work one group in each of the next stitches. This is a very simple 1 row repeat. This technique you can try with treble and doubles also, work together. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. We've come to the end of the row here. Place one group in the last stitch, that is the HDC here. You can chain 1 and turn, or directly turn, chain 3 and turn, and go ahead working group in every stitch all across. First group made, second group in second stitch. Every stitch we are making a group. Incomplete DC and a half double crochet work together. This is how this stitch develops. So once you work a few more rows, this will appear like this. Thank you friends for watching this video. This is a reversible pattern and a very nice thick fabric it creates. It's great for any type of projects that you like to make. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the new videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share our video so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.